Hello guys, this is Samara Pizangosele. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. A happy Sunday, happy festive season. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself, loving yourself, appreciating yourself. December is not for the week. Without me wasting your time, let's get to the story of today. So Usamkelo Sheze has officially announced that he and his fiance Mbalisto Hlengiwe Dlamini are no longer together. He says he left the relationship because he doesn't have the heart to use someone, and he would rather walk away than to be accused of things he knows are not true. He further explained Samkelo that from day one he accepted and loved Mbali, genuinely treated her with respect like any other human being. He said it hurts him deeply to hear claims that he was using her because he knows his intentions were clean. He went again to say, when it comes to money, this is what he has to say. He says that through their relationship, they share money 50-50 from events. Even when he was invited alone, he still gave her half. He often paid petrol from her own pocket. No one could say he was using her. When doing promotions, he always share the income with her. He also said Mbali will sometimes drink and insult him and then apologize the next day, something he kept forgiving until he reached his limit. Samkelo says both of them they earned from Facebook. He never used her financially. He will choose to leave because he has many goals in life and he doesn't want bad labels following his name. He apologized to his fans who love their relationship and their content they created together, saying his heart is clean. He wanted people to learn good values from him. He also revealed that they were planning a white wedding in Cape Town on 3 January 2026, which no longer happened. So that is a message from Samkelo, guys, saying Ogot here Mbalisto favorite TikToker. They've just recently moved together in Johannesburg. I think they moved together last month. They were busy buying furniture, guys, doing so well. And people have been saying le relationship, yeah, but it was not really, or Samkelo was using Mbali. There's no way Usamkelo can love Mbali. Right now, they are no longer together. People, they don't know what to say. So Mbalisto, she's also said something like on Facebook. She went on to say, with Agana Mandla, you post there, and she will never say anything. Maybe she'll come and share her side of the story next time. Because right now, as Yakala Ziakoa, guys, we are Koa Usamkelo Agako, we are Fokofa, no Mbali, Agawaz Gusatini, guys. Some people are saying they saw this coming, because these two pretended too much. They were tired of pretending. But guys, they were planning a wedding on 3 January 2026. I thought they were playing, and they were really dating, guys. So people are saying a lot when it comes to KZN content creator, especially males, saying they're using these innocent ladies, just to push their content. A guy knows if he dates this lady, they will follow him, they will love him, especially these handsome boys. They know, because if I date this type of a woman, people, they're gonna come for me. They will think, it's, what, anyone can find love. So it is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Sunday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.